In a stunning turn of events, reports are emerging of a major blow to Russia's high-tech manufacturing capabilities. A drone strike targeted and severely damaged the Seoul factory in Russia producing carbon fiber, a critical component for military and aerospace technology. This isn't just another attack. It's a precision strike aimed at a strategic choke point in Russia's industrial complex. The facility in question, allocated a special economic zone in Tatarstan, is over 1,000 kilometers from the Ukrainian border. The scale and audacity of this operation have sent shockwaves through Moscow. This plant was the only domestic source for the specialized carbon fiber needed for manufacturing advanced weaponry, including the wings of Geron-2 drones and elements for ballistic missiles like the Yars and Bulava. So, what does this mean for... Without a domestic supply of this crucial material, Moscow will be forced to rely on foreign imports, which are heavily restricted by international sanctions. This creates a massive bottleneck. It could significantly slow down or even halt the production of some of their most sophisticated weapon systems. The Kremlin now faces a dilemma: how to replace a unique and vital industrial asset that was just taken off the board. The attack itself was reportedly carried out by a UJ-2 airborne drone, modified for long-range missions. The drone was packed with explosives and flown like a light aircraft, navigating deep into Russian territory to hit its target. This demonstrates a remarkable level of planning and intelligence gathering, pinpointing a high-value target and executing a complex mission with devastating accuracy. It highlights a growing capability to strike strategic assets far behind the front lines. The implications are far-reaching. By neutralizing this single factory, Ukraine may have achieved a strategic victory without a major battle. It's a textbook example of asymmetric warfare, where a smaller force can inflict disproportionate damage by targeting critical vulnerabilities. The loss of this carbon fiber production could hamper manufacture not only drones and missiles, but also components for their Su-57 fifth-generation fighter jets and other hardware. This event underscores the evolving nature of modern conflict, where industrial and technological infrastructure are as much a part of the battlefield as tanks and trenches. The ability to disrupt an opponent's supply chain can be just as effective as winning a direct engagement. As we continue fallout from this strike, one thing is clear: the strategic calculus of this war has just been significantly altered. The long-term impact on Russia's military production remains to be seen, but the immediate shock is undeniable. Thanks for watching. What are your thoughts on this strategic strike? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this analysis insightful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more updates.